We were climbing the roofs, risking our lives, installing vent flashings in the projects we were doing.
We found a better and safer way, so we started Cozy Caller.
Square the template off with the roof rafters. To make sure it goes through the roof square on the template, there is a degree mark that determines the pitch of the roof. Pick the pitch that matches your roof and mark the center of it. That's the center of your template. Now mark the outside of the template. That's your cut area. It is very important not to make the cut larger than what you've marked.
Before you pass the collar through the roof, you install a thin bead of Permatex supplied with the kit on the groove of the inner gasket.
With the 4 corner studs installed and the adhesive applied, pass the collar through the roof and pull it back into the building. Once it's in the building, install the rest of the studs. Once the studs are installed, slide the 2 mounting plates into position. Install the 6 rod couplings. It's very important when tightening that you torque to 3 foot-pounds of torque. The Cozy Collar depends on compression to make a seal. The EV4 exhaust vent flashing fits through the roof from the inside of the building. Pass it through. Set it on the shingles and inside the building. Install the 7 studs and the lower mounting plate. Install the 7 rod couplings and torque to 3 foot-pounds. The Cozy Collar can be used as a high-efficiency exhaust furnace with PVC pipe. Before you pass the pipe through, mark the pipe that's going to be inside the building, showing the direction of the elbows that are going to be in the outside of the building. With that done, pass it through the roof from the inside of the building. Install the studs and mounting plate and torque to 3 foot-pounds.
The product is 100% made in the United States. With over 500,000 units sold and no complaints, the Cozy Collar works.